Okay. So I discussed in the earlier slides regarding these points, this forward biasing, reverse biasing, alpha value and IC/IE value, alpha value unity ആണ്. This is current gain. Then we need to calculate the total, very important point, total output current. I need to get the equation of total output current. Total output current is majority current plus minority current. Majority output current plus majority output current, minority output current. What is majority output current? Majority output current എടുക്കേണ്ടത് ആൽഫയുടെ വാല്യൂ എന്നാണ്. From alpha value or current gain value, we can get the majority current. എന്തായിരിക്കും majority current? Majority output current. From the alpha, I can write the majority output current is what? I alpha into IE. Major output current is IC. And from IC, from this equation, I can write IC is alpha IE, or majority output current is alpha IE plus minority current. Minority output current. This minority current ever create cheyunne? At what time this minority current is created? ഏത് ബൈസിംഗിലാണ് നമ്മൾക്ക് മൈനോറിറ്റിയുടെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൂടുന്നത്? മൈനോറിറ്റിയുടെ എഫക്റ്റ് കൂടുന്നത് ഏത് ബൈസിംഗിലാണ്? ഇൻ വിച്ച് ബൈസിംഗ് ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈനോറിറ്റി ഈസ് ഹാവിംഗ് മാക്സിമം എഫക്റ്റ്? ഏത് ബൈസിംഗിലാണ്? റിവേഴ്സ് ബൈസിംഗിൽ. So minority current എനിക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. If I need to calculate minority current, I need to consider only VCB. ഇത് മാത്രമേ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാവൂ. I need to consider only VCB. I doesn't need to consider VBE. That means ഈ വോൾട്ടേജ് ഞാൻ ഓപ്പൺ സർക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഈ വോൾട്ടേജ് ഞാൻ ഓപ്പൺ സർക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. വോൾട്ടേജിന് ഏതിന് അക്രോസ് ആയിട്ട് മാത്രമേ കൊടുക്കാവൂ. ഇത് ഞാൻ ഓപ്പൺ സർക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. So I am giving only VCB. That is, I am only giving reverse biasing. So I am calculating current. Current I, very important representation. Minority current I, when it voltage is given between collector and base with emitter side open. This is very important representation, very important for the circuit analysis. The current, there is a minority current. This is the minority current. This is the minority current in common base. That is, minority current കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ I need to consider only VCB or reverse biasing. I doesn't need to consider this forward biasing. So I can write the current when I am giving a reverse voltage between collector and base with emitter side open. And ഇത് കൺസിഡർ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്തേക്കാണ്. ഈ റെപ്രസെന്റേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ കാണുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്. ICBO. So if you are finding a representation like this or this, you need to remember that this is the minority current in common base configuration. This is the minority current in common base configuration. ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോയിന്റിനകത്ത് എന്തെങ്കിലും ക്ലാരിറ്റി കുറവുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ ആസ്ക്. ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് എനി clarity, any difficulty in understanding this minority current representation, you can ask. Or is it clear to you?
Sir, ഒന്നുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞു.
Yes, I will. So here I need to calculate the total output current. Total output current is total majority output current plus total minority output current. ഈ രണ്ട് കറണ്ടും കൂടെ കൂട്ടുന്നതാണ് എനിക്ക് ടോട്ടൽ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് കറണ്ടിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ. സോ മെജോറിറ്റി ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് കറണ്ട് ഈസ് ടേക്കൺ ഫ്രം ആൽഫ. ആൽഫയുടെ ഇക്വേഷൻ എന്നാണ് മെജോറിറ്റി ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് കറണ്ട് എഴുതുന്നത്. ആൽഫയുടെ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഐ ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ദിസ് ഈസ് IC by IE. This is the output current, this is the input current. So from alpha I can get output current is IC. IC is what? Alpha times IE. That is, IC is the output current. So majority current is alpha into IE plus minority current. Is this part clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, coming to the circuit part. This is common base configuration. Base is grounded. This is emitter. This is collector. This is base. This is an NPN transistor. So two junctions are there. This is emitter side, NPN transistor. So this voltage is forward biasing. This is reverse biasing. So forward biasing like this. Reverse biasing like this. This voltage name is VBE. This voltage name is VCB. Is this clear to you? This representation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any minority current. Minority current, I need to consider only this voltage. I doesn't need to consider VBE or forward bias voltage. I am open circuiting this VBE. This is open circuiting. This is open circuiting emitter side open. That is emitter side, each side is open. Voltage is given between which all? Collector and base. That is the reverse voltage. Voltage is given between collector and base. So I can get a current. What current? The current that is given, only reverse bias is applied. The current that is generated, only reverse bias is applied. That is, only VCB is applied. And that current is current I, voltage given between collector and base with emitter open. And that is equal to ICBO. Collector, sorry, the output minority current when the voltage is given between collector and base with emitter side open. And this ICBO represents minority current of common base. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So I can write the total output current. The total output current, the total output current in common base equal alpha IE plus ICBO. And that current is, output current is IC. Is this clear to you? This is the majority current and this is the minority current. Is this representation clear? How to calculate the total output current in a common base configuration?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Let me check any points to add it over here. No points over here. Okay. So this is a very important equation. Very, very important equation. IC equal alpha IE plus ICBO. This is the total output current of common base configuration. Minority current ICBO. Majority current alpha IE. Okay. So the next is common emitter. Very important section. That's next class discuss. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for listening.